What's up, guys? It's December 9th, 2024. Finally had some volatility in the markets. We had a bear trend, we had a pullback, we had a wedge top, we had a lot of things going on today. So let's get right into it. It's kind of late. I had some things come up today. Yeah, let's get into it. It'll be a quick one. We had a leg one. Where is my pen? Got a leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback right here. Small leg three. It's an outside bar at the high of a range. It's also a high one at the high of a range. Not the best breakout, getting bad follow through. Now we have a strong bear bar and closing on slow, and it looks like it can get a second piece. A second piece just means it can go one tick below the prior swing. What am I doing? So we'll put that here. 15-minute chart looks pretty clear. 15-minute chart, leg one, pullback leg two. Here's the wedge top, leg one, pullback leg two, deep pullback leg three. Look at this pullback. So this is a pullback for this bear leg, right? Leg one, pullback leg two. And then look at this pullback. Leg one, pullback leg two. Then this leg gets a leg one, pullback leg two. Leg one, pullback leg two. And then this pull bar gets its second leg. So leg one, pullback leg two. Let me sell off. This leg here, leg one, pullback leg two, sell off. So it's pretty interesting. You can see how second leg starts to frame the markets. I tried to look at the markets from a very consistent perspective. Small gap down, the tail kind of fills it. We have a body gap. So here's one gap, 81, bar one, bar two, bar three. We have 3-bar microchannel, bar four being a pullback, then we go sideways. Breakout mode, bear flag. Here's the bear flag. It's interesting. This opening pattern was kind of like this. Huh. That is crazy. And it sells off. I did not catch that midday. We have a strong sell, bar 8 breakout. Bar 9 is pulling back from bar 8. And then bar 8 gets its second leg. We have another 3-bar microchannel. We actually have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-bar microchannel. Bar 15 breaks the trend line, and that creates a second leg down. Excuse me. Second leg. I would say lower, and then I said down at the same time, so it's not funny. Second leg lower. So leg one, pullback, leg two. Bar 20 becomes climactic, and we get a rally 21 through 25. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This leg is strong enough to get its own second leg. And now we have a microchannel against the microchannel. So this microchannel against this microchannel, that puts the market in a range bound price action. And this leg strong enough to get a second leg. This leg strong enough to get a second leg. That means the market's correct. When two sides are strong enough to get a second leg, it's a range bound price action. Then we get a pullback. Leg two, we go one tick higher. We sell off again here. This creates a wedge bottom bull flag. Bar 43 is testing this high, and we rally. Leg one, in trading ranges, we get deep pullbacks, we get delayed pullbacks. Leg one, deep delayed pullback. Leg two, bar 53, 2-bar reversal, 54 being followed through, 55 breaking out below the EMA. 3-bar reversal, 56 being the first reversal down from this. So leg one, pullback, leg two, 57, 58, 59 again. We have another 2 strong bars that get its own second leg, and we have another 3-bar. You could short this. You catch the leg, you catch 63. 65, 66 is a pullback, leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. We go sideways for the day. It's kind of a quicker breakdown today. It's late. I just got caught up with a bunch of stuff randomly today, which I'll talk about it later. I'm gonna take a couple of days off the markets. I'll tell you that. I got swamped today with the most silliest things ever. My computer froze up. I tried to hit in a couple times. It over positioned me, and then it margin called me. Pretty much, I couldn't trade my account, and it was just a huge debacle I was on with the trading desk. And I was like, that's not true. That never happened. And then I looked at my trade performance, and yeah, it did happen. I didn't realize that when the computer froze, it was still registering my clicks on the broker's end. So apologize for the quick one. We're just gonna go over the gaps and some measured moves. In trends, measured moves tend to get hit all the time. So you want to go from 1 to 1. The zero height gap right there. Zero height means bar 7's low is the same as bar 9's high. So if we look at these numbers right here, look at the bar 7 low, 92.50. Look at the bar 9 high, 91.20. Oh, 92.25. So there's a 1 tick gap. Zero height is a 1 tick gap. And then we have another gap about right here. So now we have 3 gaps open in the first hour of the market. So definitely thinking bear trend or bearish. We're definitely more bearish. We don't have to think bear trend, but we have multiple gaps open. We have more than 10 bars below the EMA. So that's bear territory. We're not really looking for longs. And we have a bull macro channel. If you're looking for longs, you got to buy low. And you could take it for a super quick scalp here, 65, 66, but it reversed. There's too much selling pressure. There are some bull gaps here. That's a big one. And another one right here. And then these gaps get closed. We're in range bound price action. Another bear gap here that gets closed. Another bull gap here that gets closed. So see how these gaps are staying open, so the market's trending, and then gaps start closing, the market's range bound, and the gaps start to stay open again, the market's trending. You see how just by understanding gaps, we can start to add context to the market. We add gaps plus gaps plus micro channels. So micro channel down, micro channel up, big down, big up. Now we have context and we have price action supporting range bound price action. We get to the end of the part of the day, 53 to 77. We have open gaps again. Keep in mind, we still have these 3 gaps open. We're trading below the EMA. We're trading below the higher time frame EMA. This is the 45-minute EMA. Excuse me. This is the 45-minute EMA. So we're in a bear regime. This is the 5-minute 20 EMA, and it's bear territory. Longs are just scalp worthy because we're going against the major time frame regime. Just do some measure moves here. It's the opening range came down to bar 12. We rallied. Then we have another leg with bar 15 is the first trend line break. So we can do it like this to like this. Is bar 9. We'll just go with the high of bar 10. 1-to-1's met. And if you put this to the high of the pullback, I'm betting 1.5R. Oh no, 1.5R is not met. But 1-to-1's met. That's good. That's a big 1.1. That's a big 1-to-1 move. 12 points, it's nice to have some volatility after all that tight range. Now let's see if this is met. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Obviously, that's not met. Shallow target, but rather than going for a big target, we can go for these kind of targets. Here, higher the pullback. That's met with 69, 68, 70. Put at the low. 1.5 R's met at the low tick of 78. So a lot of trades today. Also just for continuity purpose, that's a 3-bar micro channel. Whoa. So put that here, and 1-to-1's barely met at the high of 55. There are more trades than this. You can take this for. No, that's not a 3-bar micro channel. Anyways, there's a 3-bar micro channel here. So sometimes in trading ranges, you can get 150% pullback. So the bar 53 is high. Excuse me, bar 52 is high. Would be 100% 50 pullback from here. So 100% pullback would be the high here. 100%. I'm just eyeballing, by the way. So then we get that. Put it here. And that's met with bar 63. Today was a little bit quicker one, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a good night. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys and answering more questions. I appreciate all the support. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you again. Good night.